We are Nepal Tea, a social business venture striving to market Nepal's first organic certified teas around the world. Along with our high quality teas, we also endeavor to empower our farmers, supporting them with free housing, subsidized food, a cow bank project, and scholarships for their children. We're proud of our teas and very proud of our farmers. And now we're offering you the unique opportunity to come visit our farm and live with our farmers. Beyond the usual attractions of our diverse country, you'll get to experience the life in the hills of eastern Nepal and learn about the lives of our farmers while teaching them about yours. You'll be able to learn to pick and process teas from the fields to the final packaging, and eventually take your own bag of tea home. Come see Nepal. Come visit Nepal Tea.